Hey guys, what's going on? This is something I am gonna do starting now. Obviously my channel is very new, but I think this is a really good idea that I know a lot of other people don't do. So I think it's really important to stay up to date, obviously, on your biggest positions for the year 2021. So before I get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. The button is down there somewhere. So I made a video a couple days ago about the big four that I think have the most potential growth slash like value this year. So if you haven't watched my other videos, I'm a long-term growth investor. That's really what I like doing. So I am a long-term investor. I do like growth companies. So the four I made, if you didn't see the previous videos, I would look at them or watch them because you'll see why I'm bullish on all four of these companies. So one is PayPal, two is Dropbox, three is Tattoo Chef, and four is Beyond Meat. So these are the big four that I'm very bullish on and still currently adding all the time to my position. Like I said in my other videos, if I do add to my position, I will let you know. If I do sell, I'll let you know also. But everyone's situation is different off the start because if you're not in these stocks, your situation's a little different than mine. So I'll explain to you here, what happened this week with all four of these stocks. So PayPal so this is from when the market opened Monday to close Friday. So this is January week 2. So this just happened. PayPal, it raised 0.75%, from Monday to Friday. So it's actually not that big of a return. I thought it was going to be higher just from what the news came out. They're the first foreign firm to go into China, which is huge. I mean, that's such a big deal, and I don't know why the stock didn't move up more just from hearing that news, but whatever. I mean, that's good. I mean, that means, PayPal is going in the right direction. They're doing a lot of big things this year. They're getting into crypto, accepting that currency, the first foreign firm to go into China. So that's really big news and big stuff. So I actually have a whole video on this that I haven't made yet, but I will do it sometime this week because I think it's definitely noteworthy to, that's like noteworthy news to like what's really exciting. So this stock, PayPal, if you're not in it, I would definitely buy now to start a position. If it goes down, add more. If, definitely get in this if you want a nice growth stock for the next couple of years. I think they're going to grow a lot even this year. So something I would definitely look into. So that's the first one. So we had a plus week with that one. So we'll give it like a little plus sign. Dropbox, ticker is DBX. This is another one of my big four, obviously, of this year. This had a little bit of a downturn. I mean, 0.89%. That's less than 1% from Monday to Friday. So there was no real big news, which, that's fine. I would still, if just like PayPal, it's still a buy. If you don't have a position and want to get in, it's a cloud-based company. So I'm really bullish on the cloud and, really the direction of what companies are going to do as far as like storage information. Cloud-based is the future, no doubt. I also have a video on this, why I'm bullish of it. Check out that video. I just go to videos and I think there's a playlist actually of it if you want to see all the videos of Dropbox. So it's a buy. This is negative, even though I forgot my red marker, but yeah, this is negative this week, which is fine. Who cares? Tattoo Chef, this is very bullish on the vegan slash plant-based meats. Ticker is TTCF if you want to look into it if you're not in it. It went up a lot today, and I think it went up a lot today because of some of the news from Beyond Meat and just a relative industry and market. They're expanding this company's going to do big things this year. They're getting into a lot of big box stores like Walmart, Target, a lot of, I'm drawing blanks, Target, Walmart, Costco, things like that. So this company has extreme growth. They had a massive plus week, so that's great. Even though it ran 7%, which is a lot this week, it's still a buy. I would definitely buy now if you're not in the stock, just like these three. Just get a position. I think you'll thank yourself, and by the end of this year, being like, wow, these stocks had amazing growth. So definitely still a buy. No groundbreaking news that like is notable, like for a huge jump like that. Last stock this week, Beyond Meat, they had a 20% growth this week from Monday to Friday, which is, I mean, that's a big gain for a growth stock. It's not a spec stock or anything like that. There was awesome news that came out this week. They're looking at adding more products with Taco Bell, so that's huge. They're also looking into other big companies like McDonald's and stuff like that. So I think it's good for both industries. The fast food industry, they're offering a healthier based alternative to like, you know, really honestly stuff that's not good for you that they have now. So that's good for that, and for both Taco Bell and McDonald's if that actually happens. It's called McPlant. So yeah, so I mean, it's really sweet that they're growing. They're trying to stay with time. Beyond Meat obviously got the news got, you know, the stock really excited this week. Ticker's BYND. Yeah, so it's honestly, it's still a buy. I did not buy anything this week because I have my positions built pretty well right now, to be honest. But if you're, like I said, with all 4 of these stocks right now, if you don't have a position, it's not too late to get in. So I would definitely add a position. You know, I have videos of all these stocks and why I'm bullish, like what their directions are, why I think they're doing buy, hold points, my predictions for 2021. So I already went over all that, so I'm not going to say it again here, but this is really something I think I'm going to do every week because I think it's important. You know, if just say you don't have enough time one week to read through everything or check up on what the stock's doing or whatever, I think it's like, I would like to be an outlet to where like you can just hop on my channel and be like, okay, let me just get the cliff notes real quick because I don't have time or I'm in the car or whatever. Let me see what the stock did and if I'm going in and out of these stocks. So I did not buy any of these based on my position. I didn't sell any of these, obviously. These are my big 4 for this year that I'm going to be following, and I think I'm going to just do weekly updates. If you guys like this, let me know. I can also do some other stocks in my portfolio that I've built out in 19 and 20 of big news. One of them is obviously Tesla. What else had really big news this week? There were a couple that I had in there. Space, Virgin Galactic, that's some huge news this week. That stock ran, I'm in that. But yeah, so I can do that if you guys like, but I really want to stay, you know, at least these big 4 that I made a video a couple weeks ago saying like, hey, these are the 4 I want to focus on in 2021. So you want to build these out this year because in the next couple of years, you'll thank yourself that you built out your position, and then you kind of move to another set or reevaluate or you know, do something like that. So really that's worked for me. I've always focused on a couple a year and just build out. Like I said, I do long-term investing. These are all growth stocks. I mean, PayPal, you could say it's a value stock, but I think it's more growth personally. But yeah, so yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if you guys are in any of these, what you bought at. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer in the comments below. But yeah, definitely hit the subscribe button. All right, peace.